About punctuation marks. There are full stop, comma, question mark, capital letter, exclamatory mark. There are star friend, star noun.
Hello, hi friends, I am Pulishta. Use me and the end of the sentence. The sentence contains a simple instruction or command. Example, the children don't go outside.
Next, comma. Hi, I am Gamma. Use me to separate more than in one sentence. Example, Raju, Lata, Mohan was a good friend. Next, question mark. Hello, hi friends. I am question mark. Use me at the end of the question. The sentence of the information. Example, where are you going? Is there any hospital nearby? Next, capital letter. F and 5 capital letter. Use it in the beginning of the sentence. Example, Ravi going to Bangalore. Sunday is a holiday. Next, exclamatory mark. Hi friends, I am exclamatory mark. The sentence shows so feelings and emotional. For example, wow, what a beautiful home.